Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data from PostgreSQL to Amazon Redshift, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer data from PostgreSQL to Amazon Redshift, begin by establishing a connection to both databases. Ensure that you have the necessary access rights and JDBC drivers for PostgreSQL and Amazon Redshift. Next, prepare your PostgreSQL database by identifying the tables you wish to transfer. It's advisable to analyze the structure and data types of these tables to ensure compatibility with Redshift. After that, create your target tables in Redshift with a schema that mirrors your PostgreSQL tables. Utilize the Amazon Redshift query editor or your favorite SQL client to execute the creation of tables. Once your tables are set up, the next step is to export data from PostgreSQL to flat files. You can use the copy command in PostgreSQL to export data in a format like CSV. Specify the file path and ensure your PostgreSQL server has access to the file system. After exporting the data, upload these flat files to an Amazon S3 bucket. Make sure that the S3 bucket is in the same region as your Redshift cluster for better performance. Once the files are in S3, you can start loading data into Redshift using the copy command. In the copy command, specify the S3 bucket location, the data format, and any necessary IAM roles for access. Validate your data by running queries in Redshift to ensure it matches the original PostgreSQL data. If you encounter any discrepancies, troubleshoot the transfer process by reviewing logs and reloading as needed. Finally, monitor the performance of your Redshift cluster and optimize query performance after the data transfer has been completed. This process will help you efficiently move your data from PostgreSQL to Amazon Redshift. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.